We are pleased to show you the 2014 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.